D4. Free all guys, free all of them.
Meech, where's my husband?
If you scared, go to church, but me and mine's rather put in work. Before they spin, we spin first. That rap shit got they mans hurt. Except my chases pull capers, now you they fool for dessert. Rap past the op, slow down, reverse, go sign titties at concerts. Don't be no sucker, you better not love 9 times out of 10 shit. Walk down buses for her shit though, you better not trust it. Just hit it and pass, I wouldn't duck cuff. No face, no ass, I can't even touch. Catch any nigga loafing, bet his ass getting fucked up. Miss shit checks like blues, ass luck. Next time, don't shoot out a window, just run up. I do drugs for my mental. Got tapped 3 times in the temple. I chase nigga down and tech in the winter day. Never outside, get word, we bliss. Tryna swing this block, better come with some shots with shit. They V Drake shoot out the edge, even GC rapping, I know they remember.